On today's episode, we'll be dealing with magnification. Magnification is under refraction of light waves. Today, we'll be treating magnification. What is magnification by definition? In optics, magnification is a quantification of comparing the size of the image with respect to the size of the object. Underlying image and object. It gives us information about the image in terms of how large or small is the image formed when compared to the object. Point of attention is large or small. Now, magnification is also the degree to which a lens, a mirror, or other device can magnify an object, or the degree to which the object is magnified is magnification. What are lenses? A lens is a transmissive optical device that focuses or disperses light beams using refraction. That's why this topic is under refraction of light waves. So, we're going to use lens as a medium of magnification. Lens in optics is a piece of glass or other transparent substance that is used to form an image of an object by focusing rays of light from the object of a circular material in shape with two polished surfaces, either or both of which is curved and may be either convex, bulging out, or concave, depressed inward. We can use mirrors or lenses for magnification. The most apparent distinction between mirrors and lenses is that mirrors reflect light rays. What it means is that light bounces back on the mirror. While light rays are refracted, they pass through glass prism or lenses. What are the triune components of magnification? Number 1, we have image. Number 2, we have object. Number 3, we have the medium. And this medium can be lens, mirror, glass prism, or any other device used for magnification. Take note of that. Magnification, for an object to be magnified, there's a formula being used in physics, and the formula is magnification is equal to image height over object height. You need to consider the image in respect to the object. So the ratio of the image height to that of the object is magnification, or the ratio of the distance of image from lens to the distance of object from lens is magnification. Therefore, we can see that M, which is magnification, is equal to V. V denotes the image over U, which is the object. So M is equal to V over U is a formula used solving problems involving magnification. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped. Stay liquid.